Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ego the Messy Sopa. I'm glad to have you guys back to my channel. This week we are looking into the hemp seed oil. Okay, this is the last oil of the series, but not the least. For now, I would love to do a tallow oil soap, and let me know if there is any oil you would love us to do. But for now, we are rounding up this series with the hemp seed oil. So let's get into this. Please subscribe to this channel too. God bless you. Hemp seed oil is typically made by cold pressing the seeds of the hemp plant. The process involves mechanically extracting the oil from the seeds without using heat or chemicals. The resulting oil is then filtered to remove any impurities, and that's how you have your hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is a soft oil. It's a great oil for anti-aging creams. It gives a light, creamy, silky lather because of its fatty acid makeup. It has a short lifespan, less than 6 months, and should be refrigerated. It can be used as a luxury healing or moisturizing agent in soaps and should be used between 10 to 15%. It is 6% palmitic, 2% stearic, 12% oleic, 57 linoleic, and 21 linoleic. And no, Indian hemp is not same as hemp seed oil. Indian hemp, also known as cannabis sativa, is a species of cannabis plant that contains high levels of THC, which is the psychoactive compound responsible for the high that people get associated with marijuana. Indian hemp is typically used for recreational or medicinal purposes. So at this point, I have been beating this hemp seed oil. God, this is the longest oil I have ever stick blended and refused to heat emulsion, but it did afterwards, which wasn't real time. I had to do that off camera, and I went ahead to pour this into my mold, and this sat in my mold for more than a month, and you'll see the result shortly. On the other hand, hemp seed oil is derived from the seeds of hemp plant and does not contain THC, and it is primarily used for its nutritional and skincare benefits, as it is rich in essential fatty acid and has moisturizing properties. Hemp seed oil is very legal and widely available for various purposes, including cooking, skincare, and soap making. So, as I said, this soap sat in the mold for over a month because I shot this video a month ago, and I am molding this soap over a month after, and this is what it looks like, guys. This is it. Look at that. I'm soaping at a 5% super fat and 2:1 water ratio, and this is what we got. This soap is still very, very soft. Are you going to be adding this to your soap line? Are you going to be using this as a soap for yourself? Of course, you can't even add it to your soap line. Look at how soft this is. Look at that. It broke easily, and it is easy to mold with it, but it is sticky too as well. As you can see, it's quite sticky. So this is what you have for your hemp seed oil soap. Let's do a ladder test. Ladder test. Okay, let's see what hemp seed oil soap bring to the table. Okay, look at those bubbles, guys. Look at that. I didn't have to work this. I didn't even need to stress it, but it is bubbling. And look at the slime down there. Can you see that? Although that was the only slime I got from this bar soap. I did a 100-gram recipe because I was short on hemp seed oil and my supplier was out of it at the time, so I couldn't do a 200 grams. So this is 100 gram, and you'll be having the recipe soon. You can see that bubble, it's quite a stable bubble. This soap is quite conditioning, I must say. It is very, very, very conditioning. I love the feel on my skin. It's really, really moisturizing as they said it would be. Okay, so but the lather is so rich and it's everywhere. It is everywhere, and it was all over the place. Guys, I'm so happy that this series has been concluded. Please do let me know if you want us to touch any oil. I would love to do a tallow, but I want to make the beef tallow myself so that I am sure it is 100% tallow. Guys, subscribe to this channel. We would love you to be part of our community. These are the soaps we have done for this series. These are all the soaps, and starting from coconut oil, olive oil, palm oil, shea butter, sunflower, cocoa butter, palm kernel. What's the other one at the other end? Look, the sunflower oil is still sticky. Meanwhile, you can see the bubbles from the hemp seed oil still on my hand. This sunflower soap I'm touching is still very sticky. Okay, so the love soap is the avocado soap. We have the mango butter and the hemp seed. Guys, thank you so much. It's a wrap. See you in our next video. Bye bye.